How is it? So we've got papaya salad. Is there any kind of meat in it? No? Fish? And
แกงเผ็ดไก่
chicken curry. Where are we?
We are in Nong Kiao.
And you're going to climb that mountain.
Yeah.
And she wants me to do it. And I don't think so. There's about 100 teenagers that are probably drinking. Not only that though, I'm scared of heights. Anyway, here's Nong Kiao. Careful.
Then they have the car thing. Oh, it's pretty big.
Yeah. See, this bridge is very high. No kayaking for me. So people in Nong Kiao don't seem to be very COVID concerned, should I say. Not many masks being worn. There's one there, but that's quite normal when you're riding a motorbike. Winter clothing for children. Yeah, I remember going past this. Mobile shop. A few places closed down as well. We stopped outside it on the bus, but then we told him to take us over the bridge. Just up here on the left, on the right, sorry. So it's on the outside of town. It's probably about a kilometre. Oh.
Want to go down?
We have to, right? We don't know. Buildings, farming materials. So our guest house has got, I think, 16 satellite dishes, I counted. The TV doesn't work. Quite handy. Found the bus station, but it's closed. So as it stands, we've got no idea how we're going to get back to Lompabang. How did we get here? Oh yeah. Yeah, no one seems to know how we can get back to Lompabang. Right. I'll be away somehow. Village chief just spoken on the microphone, and now he's put some music on. You see the microphone there. Okay. So we just went to the bus station, found out it's closed down, and we've got no idea how to get back to the big city.